We are gathered here today to recognize our former SRC while we also install our interim SRC for the academic year 2025.
Now, the journey leading up to today, I think, is particularly exciting. Unlike some of our other years, we could not make an immediate handover and stop, a clean stop between what now is the former SRC to what we currently have as the interim SRC because of a number of reasons, and I don't think today is the day to talk about those particular reasons. But it was a very tough process. Our former SRC members had to step in and remain in a particular role, handing over and with some uncertainty in between. It led to us having an interim SRC, a SRC without the term interim, and I always tell them I have the title interim as well, to an SRC without an executive, and now the journey where we're solidifying the nature, role, purpose of an SRC.
Good afternoon and welcome to this important occasion in the Stellenbosch University calendar. And that is where we as an institution truly appreciate and recognize the efforts of our student leadership. The SRC of 2023-2024 in recognizing the contributions that they've made to the advancement of this institution, as well as to the incoming SRC for the roles that you are going to play to take this institution forward and to really advance the needs and the requirements of the students of this institution. As we inaugurate the interim 2024-2025 SRC, first of all, we celebrate your election, but more importantly, we affirm the values and the responsibilities that come with student leadership. And Dr. Leslie went at lengths to make you understand that even though it says interim, you hold the full responsibilities of an SRC. You also hold the full accountability of an SRC. So not just the responsibilities, also the accountability. As leaders, you play a critical role in shaping the student experience at Stellenbosch University. You are not only representatives of the students, but also advocates, problem solvers, and importantly, bridge builders. Remember, you do not represent just one component of the student community. You represent the entire student community at Stellenbosch University. And so when you serve the entire student community. Congratulations once again to our newly elected SRC. We look forward to working with you, and I especially look forward to the difference that you will make in the lives of our students. Stellenbosch University has a strong tradition of student leadership, and especially around active citizenship. And I have no doubt that every one of you is going to uphold that legacy at our institution.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars.
The Students' Representative Council is the highest office of the students. It yields the power to represent, to mobilize, and to enact change. It gives our students the voice and the soul to advocate for their collective needs, goals, and aspirations. To take up this office, to avail yourself to be a member of this council, is not a mere badge of honor, but a symbol of the tirelessness, dedication, and determination through which each of you commit to serve. Every single day that you will be at the office, at events, at gatherings, you are an extension of the students who have entrusted you with this office. They demand and deserve your respect, your servitude, and your leadership. Whilst none of us here can promise that this office will be easy, we can promise that the hard work you have done and will still do will not go unappreciated, unrecognized, or unnoticed. The Student Constitution, the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, and all other laws of the Republic. I solemnly and sincerely promise to do the following to the best of my abilities.
It is not commonplace for an SRC to be installed and not inaugurated, nor is it commonplace for an SRC to function with only 7 elect members, 13 members in total, for an entire registration period without having been inaugurated. Nothing about this team beside me is common, nor will our term be common. We will leave a legacy behind us, an ushering in of a new commonality. You will often see our SRC without blazers, a small example of a bigger point. Many will criticize us to say we look unprofessional, but we are leaders before we are merchandised. We were leaders before we were recognized, and we will continue to lead audaciously so.
We will be asked to stand and rise as the procession is leaving and exiting the room. Thank you, take care as we stand for the procession to exit.